light. You know when you like come from inside and it's so bright outside? Oh well, good morning. It's not really morning now. It's already almost 11:30 I think. So I'm gonna go meet my friend Maria. We're gonna meet in Akihabara today and then we're going to the beach. I'm so excited, like seriously, I have wanted to go to the beach for a long time and I usually go to Kyushu like every summer. So yeah, I haven't actually been to like a beach here in Tokyo area, so I'm really excited for that. And I really hope we get a lot of good pictures because we're gonna have like a whole photo shoot together. I mean, it's always gonna be a photo shoot if you are with us, I guess. So yeah. Okay, but I'm really excited to vlog today. I haven't been posting for a pretty long time. Hope you enjoy and follow us to the beach. Let's go. Oh, it's really nice weather today. And that means it's super hot and humid because it's Japan, of course. But yeah, well, it's not raining at least. Akihabara, JK28. So we're gonna go now to Don Quixote and buy like ukiwa. It's so noisy, I'm so sorry. It's a lot of things happening here, but we're both vlogging. But we will show you what's in there. Oh my god, we are so... yeah, this is exactly what we were looking for. This is how we destroy our hair. Well, this is kind of like... Okay, we had our fun of the day. That's the vlog. Let's go. Ukiwa. Maria, it's catwalk. Catwalk. We have a lot of Hello Kitty. Look at this. So cute. You literally have like everything here. Do you remember like at McDonald's before you got something? I know. It's like, hello. Maybe. So they have really big ones. Oh, takenoko no. But I won't get it, I think. Oh, they just have this one? Wait, it's so cheap. No, this is so... Oh, the browser. It's so heavy. I know. And it's so much to blow. So I'm just gonna make a voiceover here, but this used to be my new favorite shots you can buy at actually Konbini. But I did drink in some wrong way, so I can't really drink it now, but you should try. And you're welcome for an interesting story. La la. Oh, this one I super like it. Yeah, with mine. Food baby. It's so she actually like count every single like piece. How many was it?
317.
300. There you go. If you wanted to know. So that's why I always get like half a size here. I was so hungry, I'm starving. So what I'm doing is
How is even food with coffee?
So I have this thing that I always have to get ebi when I come to a sushi place. It's like since I was little, I always get ebi.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play.
The bag thinking that.
Like a drug.
Oh, you're kind of dirty.
Yeah. Hello. Oh. Like you can hear the semi-soul. That's nice. Did you drop something on me? Oh, this is nice.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay.
We are at the beach now.
So maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things
So
that
actually it was a long time ago.
that's not gonna
I went to the beach.
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. Even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought.
Oh, it's so. Oh my god, your camera is so nice.
Oh, it was the both of us. You probably don't see me, but we are now at the beach and just watching all the people doing hanabi, and it's so nice. It really feels like this is summer. Yeah, it's really nice. You actually see, okay, not on this way, but the other side you see like Skytree and Odaiba. Yeah, we're gonna go that way later because we're gonna go back. But it's really nice here. Like when I see all the airplanes, I really want to go travel. I mean, I traveled a little bit today, like 1 hour. Wow, 1 hour. We were thinking maybe we should go eat or drink like at a nice place, but I don't know like until when they are open. So wait, so my energy is pretty down. So I just wish I was a little bit more energetic, but I had a really nice time and it's still not over yet. So yeah. So wait, how long did we walk? Like 40 minutes?
Yes.
Yeah, so we
No,
walked.
27.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we walked for like 27 minutes. And now we are at sushi again. Yeah. So we were thinking about eating at the place, like the nice place. When we went to ask about like food, they just sell drinks at the time, so we just decided sushi for the second time today, and I'm not complaining. It's pitch, and you can kind of control. Yep. So I'm even like too tired to even talk right now. I feel like. So we made it to the bus. Yay! Like 20 minutes later, we just missed our this earlier bus, just like in some seconds. I thought it was another bus, but
One sushi less if we
yes.
ate.
Well, it was good with sushi, but now I smell like garlic, so I don't know. It's getting darker now. I was so tired yesterday when I came home. I came home around like 1 a.m. or yeah, around that time, and yeah, I didn't really make an outro, so I was thinking, okay, I'll do it the next day today. So it was really fun. We went to Inage Kaihin Park. I hope I pronounced it right. So I thought we were going to swim more yesterday, but we actually didn't really swim. It wasn't that many people there. For being like around Chiba, I guess. I have never been there before, and yeah, it was actually like just maybe us two that had swimwear, and I was kind of surprised because I knew that Japan doesn't really like to like show skin and they don't really wanna get sunburned, but I thought it was like it's going to be more people. I think most of the people just were there and like had a nice time and taking photos. I'm so much better now. I mean, I think I'm like, yeah, fine now, but I think I had maybe some post-Rona symptoms, maybe a little bit of tiredness, but other than that, maybe just my voice a little bit different, but I really had bad timing. I'm gonna take responsibility now, and sometimes it's got an eye, but okay, all about that, but I'm thankfully so much better now. Okay, I'm talking too much, but so thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I really hope you enjoyed it because it was really fun like showing you around, and I hope I can make more videos from Japan. And have a great day or night wherever you are watching from, and see you in my next video. Okay, see you.